Hello everyone, this is Pateron once again, and today I want to talk about neural point rails. Now, there are quite the number of neural rails online that you can purchase, but this one in particular is from NEEWER, and it's really well made, as you can see. Now, I do like the brand Really Right Stuff, and though that brand is pretty much like the Rolls Royce of photography, just along with ProPhoto and Hasselblad, right? And not everyone can afford their stuff, but I have to say, for the price, $15 for this NEEWER and other manufacturers like Really Right Stuff sell theirs for a lot more expensive. I have to say, for $15, this is a pretty good darn built NEEWER. Look at the knob. That's a really nice knob. And not only that, it's very nice and fluid. So the purpose of this is to find my NEEWER point when you're doing like panoramic photography, when you're doing landscapes, because if you want to stitch photos together, sometimes that software is not going to like what you already have captured because you did not find your NEEWER point. And if you find your NEEWER point, the software recognizes that, oh, you did a really good job. It's going to stitch it up for you really well, or you could do it manually yourself. But yeah, this goes on my Manfrotto fluid head with the NEEWER clamp adapter with Ulan Z quick release. So, but with that said, other than that, look how many quarter threads it comes with. Oh my goodness, huge, lots of quarter threads everywhere, even on the bottom. I'm not sure Really Right Stuff has the same amount of quarter threads, but the bubble level seems to be really accurate, and it seems to work really well with both of my cameras, my Canon and my Sony. But I'm not sponsored by NEEWER. This is not a promotion. This is not an ad. This is not a sponsored giveaway. I purchased this with my own money, so keep that in mind. But the finish on this is beautiful, by far nice. So if you're a landscape photographer and you're out there, you're doing panoramics or you're doing landscape actual photography, and you're looking for a NEEWER point rail, and you want the Really Right Stuff, because that's my dream, to have their stuff. I want to have the bragging rights, but I cannot afford it. And you need something affordable, go to NEEWER. This is pretty darn fantastic for $15. With that said, everyone, this is Panda. Please do subscribe, like, and share if you guys want to financially support the channel. There are links down in the description below where it says donation. Please hit the notification bell icon so you get notification bells. And with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.